our channel. We are the Steam Sisters. Today we will be opening toys again. Okay, so we're gonna be opening a LOL surprise. So we already opened a lot in the past. That's why we have so many here. We're gonna open another one. Pull it. Kind of like a banana. Ooh, look, I found this. Hey, look, I found a clue. And it says top knot on the bottom. See the little words? It says top knot. And that's what the picture means. Top and knot. So let's open another layer. Find the little, hey. Find the little, oh, it's not here. Oh, found it. It's kind of hard. Fine. Oh, sorry. Teamwork makes the dream work. Oh, another clue. These are stickers. Look, they're like little stickers. I can help. It's a banana. Oh, what's this? Oh, it's just a little booklet. Oh, which one do you want? Oh, I found this. It's a little glittery thing.
Ooh, I think it's glow in the dark.
What?
I mean, not glow in the dark.
Wait, let's look at this one. Instructions. Let's see.
That's a lot.
No need. Okay.
I'm just going to try to open it.
Maybe there's a button.
Okay, there's no button.
We clearly don't know how to open this.
Is it like this?
He's strong.
There's a package.
What's this?
Let's see what it is. Ooh.
What's that? I know what it is.
Oh.
Goes in here.
Let's do it later.
No, wait. It's almost in. So you could carry it. Well, that's nice.
Just do it later.
Ooh, what does this do? I think now we can open it. Did that just unlock that? Because
Ooh,
it's a flat. It's half plastic, half rubber.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh, it's real hair. Put this back on, please. It's plastic. Look at it. It's so cute. It has like a sleep mask. Stop taking the head off. And I don't think if you noticed, but on the outside it says, I don't know if you guys saw it, but it says real hair. See, hey, why is it so hard?
I don't know.
Is it supposed to do that? Because you're so soft here, so it's like a brick hair. I made a new trend, brick hair. See, look. You can't even unroll it.
Okay, the underwear.
Okay, put this back on, please.
What's this?
It looks like a little girl. Ooh, look, this is a trash can? What is this? Take it out. What this? No.
Oh, the water bottle.
Ooh. There's more stuff.
Okay, I'm gonna get it out.
Wait, there's also this.
Oh, let's open it.
Wait, you could put the water bottle in this little compartment over here at the top. See it?
Oh, look at
It's about Look, I'm gonna put its water. Look at its water bottle. It's a little pot. Okay, I'm gonna put it up here. Okay, perfect. Now it fits. So this little thing. Isabel, stop opening everything, please. I know you're excited. Okay, so there's a little hole here, so I'm just gonna put it in so it can stand up in here. Well, its feet are too small. We need to put the shoes up. But look at this little, like, clothes.
A little.
Look, it even fits on my finger. Wait, I have an idea. Give that to me. Put it on my finger. I put it on my finger and drew a happy face. You know. Okay. Now, oh, hey, we can first put this on, but I don't know. Still don't know why the hair's like a brick. Oh, maybe if we rinse it, like it turns soft. I don't know. We'll do that later.
Ooh. It's okay. It's supposed to come off anyways.
No, it's not. Don't trust her. Okay, now we're gonna put the clothes on. Okay.
You don't know how to do it, right?
Yes, I do.
Oh. I thought you did not have it. Did not.
We opened so
was I
many.
taken?
Okay. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Looking stylish. Okay.
Now I'm gonna put on the.
Yeah, that's the easy part. Just stuff it on. And before Isabel opened this, but she didn't even open the other one, so we're gonna wait. Okay, done.
Okay.
She's so cute.
Aww.
Wait, I need to fix it. The last thing you want to happen is that her skirt falls off, and then she gets embarrassed in school. Look. Okay, so
Can I help me get out?
yeah, so out. Teamwork makes it a dream work. So out. Stop. So I need to move this. Why is this not working? How do they expect us to open this? Who do you think?
Just
Who
open
do they think we are?
Just open it like this, like the other one.
Perfect. Now,
Can I do it?
now, wait. Take it out.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Ooh,
it's a
coon.
It's a Velcro.
Wait. Alan.
Wait, is that what we're supposed to use to comb this? It's brick hair. Maybe we'll rinse it.
Wait, let's first try.
Oh.
Oh my gosh. Let's first
hair.
try to comb it.
Wait.
Oh, I think it's combing this part. I think it's combing this part.
Okay. But I just looked on here, and which one did we get? We got this one. This one right here. Ooh, on the back it also says ours is called it's called Oops Baby. That's what it's called.
Oops, baby, it's so cute.
Oops.
Oops. Okay.
Oops.
Oops,
Look.
baby, it's so cute. I'm gonna comb your hair.
This one. Wait, which one? This one. Right there. Okay. So, what are you doing?
Getting the hair.
Okay, whatever. Let's first open. Is this one? This one is such a big bag, and the thing in here is like only this little.
I think it's the shoes.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, there's two pieces. It's the shoes.
Let me open it.
Open it.
Okay. It is the shoes.
It's pretty obvious. What are these? These are like high heel slippers. Like they have a pom pom on it, and they're weird. Put it on. Is it that hard?
Nope. Give me.
Okay, let me see which one I think. This one is also full. I don't know what it is. It feels like a brick.
Yeah. I said that earlier.
Yeah, I know.
I think you guys did not hear me.
This is the last one, so yeah. Hurry up.
Okay.
Okay, now open this one. It feels like a brick.
Ooh, it's the bag with the wings.
The bag is made out of rubber. This part is made out of rubber band.
It's okay. Let's just put it on her. She's gonna look very cute.
For sure. Wait, how about we just put this in her hair like this? Because that's how hard it is. I can't even like. That's how hard it is. Wait. There. Oh, it fell. Okay, good.
Okay, look.
Look at her.
telling me something. She's thirsty. Where's the water bottle?
I think I put it in here. Let's check.
Oh, there's a holder up there. I did not notice. I'm gonna go fill the water bottle up.
So while she's filling the water bottle up, remember at first we found this little thing? I'm gonna look on these and see if there's anything. Nope, not on this one. Maybe there's a secret message here. Yeah, there's no secret message. I'll wait for Isabel.
Okay, I filled it up. Now let's give her some water. Watch. Just put it in that hole.
Water going everywhere.
Oh yeah, right.
Okay, so I remember that her hair was like brick solid, right? So I think maybe we go rinse for her.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go get a bowl and fill it up with water.
So we can do it all together.
I got the water.
Rachel, when I was filling up the water bottle, what were you doing?
Oh, I was. Remember this?
Oh, I remember that.
I was looking for clues, but I didn't see anything though.
Oh. Wait, I know where it could be. On this.
I don't think so because that's the instruction.
Oh yeah, I did not think about that.
Okay, so let's put her in. Wait, let's first try a little bit. Put some there and I'll put some here. It works. It turns softer. So let's take all the clothes off.
It's okay.
Okay, let's just do this. Goodbye.
I'm gonna
Oh,
put some-
bubbles.
Wait.
He's gonna fill the water bottle up at the same time. Wait, let me see. It's still kind of hard though. I don't know if it works, but it's getting softer at least.
No, but when you take off the rubber bands, that's why. It's harder to take off the pink stuff.
It's actually softer, bro. It's just stuck together. It's like I don't know what it's like. It's like you put on hairspray, but like way too much. Your like hair is like it's kind of like oily. I think that's what they use some hairspray. Yeah. So it's
And it smells good.
yeah, it smells like soap.
I think they put
It
soap
smells
on
like soap.
this. Bye-bye.
Wait, it's soap. It is soap. I can see little bubbles. Hey. Goodbye. Oh, that is too
Everywhere.
big. Oh, I can see like the water is soapy.
Oh yeah, now let's get it apart again. We first need
It's really
to
messy.
get all the water off.
I don't know. I still don't
I
know.
think it's good. Now let's dry it with the hair dryer.
Wait. The water's not even clear anymore, and there's bubbles at the top.
I'm gonna go to get the hair dryer to dry the girl's hair. Bye.
Bye.
I'm back with the hair dryer.
Now let's dry this thing up.
A thing, it's a girl, not a thing. Remember?
Same.
Okay,
Same.
let's start.
Okay.
Oh, it's kind of warm. Okay, let's start.
Put it on this. Isabel, stop blowing the paper away.
Okay, now we're drying.
Yeah, it's really wet.
Ow, my ears hurt from the
Yeah,
noise.
it's really windy and it's really warm. Oh, just so you know, this is our dog's hair dryer.
Yeah,
it
not
was,
ours.
Like, it was the closest thing to us.
Ours are the combing ones with air coming out. We don't want to comb her hair. She already has a comb.
I think it's good enough, actually.
I combed it off. Now let's comb her hair.
We're cleaning her hair so her hair can be smooth. Look at it.
It's
So
still
smooth, and look how messy this is. But it's
Now
kind
my
of straight.
turn.
Look. I think there's still some soap on there.
Yeah.
Okay, now you can comb the other side.
Let's make it
Yeah,
like
there
a
still
part.
is soap. There's soap on my fingers and on the table.
We first need to make it part.
Yeah. Are you? At first, it's kind of hard to comb, but at the end, it's like,
Very hard.
you know, like but after you come out of the shower, like in the shower, you have to comb your hair, and it's always like gets stuck here. You're like, uh.
But if you pull it very hard,
It hurts.
yeah. That's my problem every time when I wash my hair. My problem.
But I still don't know what this goes to. So I'll maybe look on this piece of paper.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
But once we're now showering, this is so funny. Once we're now showering, it was stuck, and then I pulled it all the way down, and then there was a long, long piece of hair. Then it fell off.
Wait, I think this is for this because look, it's a giant picture of this.
Ooh, yeah.
See? And this middle part are these guys. So maybe look at these. Okay, so maybe they want us to find these because this is ours, and then I go on the back and look at it, but still nothing.
I think it's on the front.
Maybe it's at this like part.
No, maybe it's over here because we got it.
Maybe it's over here. Yeah. Oh look, I found a pun. I'm here for this instead of here. Okay, so yeah, I still don't know what this thing is for. Well, are you done?
My hands because it's all sticky and
It's all
so
soapy.
Bye.
And while she is going to do that, make sure you subscribe. If the subscribe button is red, then you are bad. So go make it gray. And I have a challenge for you. You right there. Let's see if you can hit the subscribe button in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, done. Okay, I have another challenge for you. See if you like challenges. The next challenge is for you to hit the like button. If you don't hit the like button, then all your cooking's gonna be gone. Not just one, all. So, hit the like button and make the subscribe button gray. And now Isabel is back. So now we're gonna put her in the case so we can open the other toy so she can relax. Look, you just put her on these little things. Wait, and there's a little water bottle compartment here. Wait, you can put your water bottle in. Then you close it, and it's done. It's just so cute, right? You can like bring it around with you because of this. You can like maybe put it in your purse. So yeah, it's like golden and pink. Red is Isabel's favorite color, but pink is close enough. It's so cute. And like there's little doors. It's like a real store. Wait. Open the doors.
Oh no.
Okay, we're gonna see you